Hello everyone. Welcome back. Today, we are talking about a big secret, why the mini smartphone was really stopped, and why the 18 mini might come back in 2026. In this video, we will tell you why big phones are a problem, how a 5.5-inch phone can save your time, and the amazing features of this new compact phone. Before we start, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. The problem with big phones today. Right now, the normal smartphone is 6.1 inches, which is not small at all. If you try to use it with one hand while walking or holding something, it is very hard. It feels heavy, uncomfortable, and like you are carrying a big screen instead of a phone. The perfect 5.5-inch design. Now, imagine a true mini phone with a 5.5-inch screen. It would be very light and easy to use with just one hand. This changes everything for people with smaller hands or users who just want to do basic things like calling and messaging. How a small phone saves your time. A big screen makes you want to watch videos and scroll all day. But when your screen is smaller, you naturally spend less time on it. You stop opening apps for no reason, and the phone gives you your free time back. People still love the mini. Even today, many people are still using their old 13 mini phones. They do not want to upgrade because nothing else feels as good as a small phone. The demand for small phones is still there, the company just stopped making them. Do you still use a mini phone? Tell us in the comments. Small is the new special trend. Right now, every mobile company is making huge phones with big displays. Because all phones are big, a small phone becomes very special and premium. Going against the trend is a smart move, and 2026 is the perfect time to bring the mini back. Amazing 18 mini features. If the 18 mini is made, it will have a beautiful 5.5-inch OLED display. It will have a super fast chip, the best cameras, and a much better battery. It will not be a weak phone, but a very powerful phone in a small size. A big mistake in the past. Before, the mini phone was treated like a cheap, second option. But if it is made as a premium phone in 2026, it will be a massive hit. Right now, people want to reduce their screen time and live a simple life without distractions. Will they finally listen? The 18 mini fits perfectly into this simple lifestyle. The question is not if they know how to build a mini phone again. The real question is, can the company afford to ignore what people want any longer? Thanks for watching. What are your thoughts about this? Do you want the 18 mini? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.